Good evening to one and all. Dignitaries on the dais, dignitaries off the dais, and I see students in large number from Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences. So it gives me great pleasure to be here today to inaugurate this second international conference on gene and cell therapy. What a day it had been for me. Just in the morning, I inaugurated a conference, a program on first National Naturopathy Day. Today has been declared by Government of India as National Naturopathy Day. And here I am in the evening trying to inaugurate another conference on gene and cell therapy. What a difference from one end to the other. Naturopathy is a science where it is drugless therapy. They believe on diet, exercises, hydrotherapy, and some similar things. And here at one end, we are looking into micro management, going into the cell, deeper into the cell, separating out DNAs, separating out, targeting genes, and then trying to cure diseases. So a world of difference from what I had in the morning. And secondly, I have been placed as patron of this conference along with Swami Sachidananda Saraswati. I don't know why I was a patron, maybe because of the similar name, Sachidanand and Chidanand. I don't want to get into the spiritual level as yet. I want to be at the scientific level itself. Thank you, ma'am, for inviting me here today to be chief guest in this inaugural function. The very fact that so many students have turned up to know the exciting thing that is going on in the modern medicine is a proof to the fact that, the whole conference, the concept of the conference has attracted them here. We sent out mailers to all the colleges and they have responded positively. I thank all the management of colleges for sending students here. All you students are the future of Indian this thing. You will be into treating patients, coming out with drug formularies, inventing new drugs, like pharmacy students, and such of those who are into therapies, you would be dealing with such exciting therapies in the future. Drug therapy is one aspect of treating diseases. We are also going into an era where we will be recognizing gene defects and then trying to correct those gene defects by gene therapies. Wherever there are degenerative diseases or rather a question of regeneration is required, stem cell therapy, you can inject stem cell therapy, which is just now shown by Dr. Agarwal. We can generate fetal cell stem cells from the just drop of blood and then re-inject back into the patient, and such an exciting this therapy. I know all these are still in its infancy. A lot of information has to be gathered, a lot of research has to get into. We need a lot of proof because our modern medicine is based on evidences. We need to gather more evidences. I'm sure in few years to come, more and more evidences will gather, and we'll all be, in the era of treating patients with gene therapy and cell therapy. And I hope each one of you would play a big role in such this thing. I should congratulate Dr. Sunita Agarwal and her team for conceptualizing the whole thing, daring to conduct a conference on such a futuristic topic, and giving information to students. I really congratulate you, ma'am, for that task. It's a wonderful task. She has also attracted so many international speakers. I'm sure that all of them would have, given a lot of pearls of wisdom for you to carry back. As an university and as a Vice Chancellor of Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences, which is the largest health university in the country, we have also taken up collaborations with the Indian Institute of Science. We have collaborated with the Human Center for Genetics, with the Natural Cell Biology Institute. So we are also looking into futuristic thing. Our faculty, our postgraduates are also doing projects in such futuristic thing. For example, I can quote stem cell therapy stem cell are being now used in cardiology, in neurology and in dermatology. The first phase of research is already there. We are going for publications, maybe even patents also. So that is what we have futuristic thing that we have thought of. And to encourage young students, undergraduates also to take up research from this year onward, we are setting aside a sizable amount of money where undergraduates can take up research. Faculty doing research is nothing new. Postgraduates, as a part of their curriculum, they do a thesis or dissertation. But now we are encouraging undergraduates in the second year, after they pass their first year, they can take up small projects, write up. There will be a process of selection, and there is an opportunity for those young bent of mind, young scientists with a bent of mind of research can take up such things. So that is what we are trying to encourage. Please do spread the word. You or your friends could take up such projects and submit to Rajiv Gandhi University of Sciences. So I wish there is a bright future for this country, because such indigenously we have already developed this thing, and a lot of exciting things are going to happen, for which all of you youngsters will be the witness and also probably using that. Wish you all good luck, a bright future, and may this world live on for as peacefully as ever. Thank you so much.